Friends, in this video we will discuss how many funds an investor should keep in his portfolio. Here the problem is that investors either over diversify or over concentrate their portfolios. It has been observed that some investors accumulate 10, 12 or even 15 funds in their portfolio. If a particular fund performs well in a specific year, investors rush to invest in it. Over time, they end up with 10 to 15 funds. When you have 10 to 15 funds in your portfolio, it dilutes the returns substantially, and monitoring also becomes increasingly difficult. So in today's video, we will try to find out ideal number of funds a smart investor should keep in his portfolio. The ideal number of funds in your portfolio is not just about quantity, but also about selecting the right funds. This depends on two key factors. First, your investment objective, that is, why are you investing in mutual funds? And second, your investment time horizon. If you are investing for less than a year, then you should choose either a balanced fund or a hybrid fund. These funds invest in both equity and debt, providing a balance in risk and reward. Since the market is unpredictable in the short term, a downturn could cause significant losses. However, the debt portion of a hybrid fund compensates for potential losses in equity portion, offering much needed stability in short term of 1 year. For a 1 year investment horizon, balanced funds can provide expected returns of around 8%. Do not expect returns higher than this from a debt or balanced fund. If your investment horizon is between 1 and 3 years, you should invest in a flexi cap fund. Avoid large cap funds, as flexi cap funds generally perform better. Large cap funds have rigid investment structures, while flexi cap funds allow fund managers to shift between large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks as per market conditions. When the market declines, fund manager shifts to large cap stocks for stability, and when the market are rising, he moves towards mid and small cap stocks for better returns. And therefore, flexi cap funds offer both safety and good returns, making them a better choice than large cap funds for 1 to 3 time horizon. For such a time horizon, you should ideally keep 1 or 2 flexi cap funds that consistently outperform their benchmark and category averages. Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund can be a good choice for the purpose, as it offers a consistent performance as well as its returns are also reasonable. You can expect returns of around 12 to 15% from a flexi cap fund, provided market conditions are favorable. For a 3 to 5 year investment horizon, you should ideally keep 3 funds to manage risk and achieve good returns. These should include 1 multi-cap fund, 1 flexi cap fund, and 1 mid-cap fund. As while mid-cap funds provide excellent returns, multi-cap funds offer some exposure to large-cap stocks, adding stability, and flexi-cap funds bring balance to the portfolio, offering both stability and returns. Motilal Oswal Mid-Cap Fund can be a good choice for investing in a mid-cap fund. However, if your time horizon is for 5 to 10 years, then you don't need flexi cap funds. Instead, your portfolio should include 1 mid-cap fund, 1 multi-cap fund, and preferably 1 small-cap fund if you are an aggressive investor. Here, multi-cap and mid-cap funds will provide stability and good returns, while a small-cap fund can aggressively enhance value of your overall portfolio. Further, large-cap, flexi-cap, balanced funds, or debt funds aren't good choice for long-term investment as they generate significantly lower returns in long duration compared to small cap and mid cap funds. For longer investment horizons, an aggressive portfolio is beneficial. Since mutual funds are long term investments, their true potential comes from compounding over time. If your investment horizon is 10 years or more, there is no need for excessive caution. You can invest entirely in 1 or 2 small cap funds and further add up 1 or 2 mid-cap fund, because in a time horizon of over 10 years, market volatility gets mitigated automatically. Further, small cap and mid-cap funds deliver higher return in long term. For investing in small cap funds, a plethora of choices is available. You can choose from Nippon India Small Cap Fund, Quant Small Cap Fund, Axis Small Cap Fund, SBI Small Cap Fund, and Tata Small Cap Fund. Further, you can also consider new entrant Bandhan Small Cap Fund or any other good fund of your choice, depending upon your investment style. To To conclude, it is not beneficial to keep more than 3 mutual funds in your portfolio. Excessive diversification dilutes your returns, making them similar to index returns. The objective here is to beat the index, not match it. Otherwise, what is the justification in investing in different mutual funds? Further, as your investment duration increases, increase exposure to small cap and mid cap funds for better returns. By following this approach, you can build a strong and well balanced portfolio that maximizes your investment returns over time. This video is for educational purpose only and is not an investment advice or recommendation. Always conduct your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.